I'm here at some of the model homes in a new construction community, and I just wanted to give you another pro tip. Let's check out these garden beds here. Now, this is pine bark, which is pretty. It's a pretty mulch, and it's relatively inexpensive. But I do want to show you a key pro tip just to make sure you don't make the mistake a lot of people make and then end up costing you time and money and headache. So the rains here and storms are very strong, and if you don't have a proper gutter system, you're going to run into this problem here where it's washing out the pine bark and the soil around the steps. And this pine bark, you guys, it floats and it travels. And the way that this mulch bed is set up is the mulch is above the sidewalk. And so when it rains, this stuff is going to get carried off on the sidewalk and get all washed around. So if you're going to use pine bark specifically in beds, you want to dig the soil of the beds out so that the pine bark is level and flat and flush with the pavers, not above it. Trust me, this stuff gets carried away in the monsoons that we have, and it turns into just being a pain in your rear end. There's other types of garden bed material and mulch. Pine straw actually does really well, but then there's also cypress, shredded cypress, that won't float away like pine bark. So you can thank me later for saving you a ton of wasted time and wasted money. We have some more models to look at, so I'll see you on those videos.